Hey guys, Rob here. Today's video, I decided to hike into the trail a little bit to this nice little campsite here. You guys see we have a really nice picnic table behind us and good scenery around. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cook up some lunch and just enjoy this spot. This video here, I brought along my alcohol stove. I really enjoy using that, and we're gonna use that to cook up a really good backpacking meal. And no, it's not gonna be anything dehydrated, so I hope you guys are hungry and excited for this one, so let's go. All right, so what we're gonna make today is gonna be salmon rice with bell peppers, a little bit of onion, and I'm gonna show you guys here. The salmon is already pre-cooked. So we got bell peppers right here, and these are really small ones, like the size of really small oranges, so it's gonna be perfect amount for this. And then as far as the salmon goes, we got 2 tins here of this King Oscar salmon. And this is in olive oil, and guys, this is amazing. Really good salmon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boil up some rice, because we got some boil in the bag jasmine rice here. Cook that, and then in my other pan here, we're gonna saute up some peppers, and then we're gonna put that salmon in here, and then we're gonna combine it all. It should be really good. Definitely gonna need a windscreen today. We got a tropical storm coming through, so it's really windy, and the rain has been kind of off and on. So we're gonna put that up. Hopefully that does the job. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this rice in now. That way it can finish cooking. And I never made boil in a bag rice in this little tiny pot before. I've done it in my my Tokes Titanium 750, but this is a 400 milliliter, I believe. Yeah, 400. So we're gonna see if I can get away with making this whole bag of rice in here. Got all the peppers and onions chopped up, ready to go. And the rice is probably done now, so I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm gonna start cooking up the rest. So the thing I'm trying to do here is just figure out, can we create really good meals on trail without having to do like massive amounts of cooking? And you guys see here, like, all we're really gonna do is just boil the rice up and then saute the peppers and the onions, and the salmon's already cooked, so all we need to do is kind of just rewarm that up and combine it. So I haven't even been out here that long, and I feel like I'm already almost done. It's definitely a good thing. All right, just gonna set this on top. Put a little bit of olive oil in that pan. this is what that salmon looks like in the can here. So we just pop it open just like you would like sardines or something, and there you have all that beautiful salmon meat. It's just a matter of adding this in here. Smells amazing, and it just finished, so I'm gonna add the rice on top of this and chow. All right, so before I dig into this, I am gonna get a little bit more fuel on there, and I'm gonna boil some water to make a little bit of hot chocolate with some French vanilla. Wow. And you know what's cool is that this is an easy meal. The peppers, you can leave those out at room temperature for a long time. The salmon, canned, rice, no refrigeration, you know what I mean? So it's all easy stuff. And then we're cooking out of a non-stick pot, so cleaning up will be really easy. You just wipe it out. And it really didn't take that long to make all this stuff. That's good. That's really rich. So guys, this was totally worth it. And I hope that this inspired you guys to try this meal, because it was really, really good. If I got to rate it out of 10, I'm gonna say that this right here was probably like a 9.2. It was very good. And very easy to make here too. And I feel really full. And not only that, it's healthy food for you. I mean, maybe you could switch out to brown rice or something, or just do the salmon and vegetables. That would be a really good dish by itself. But nice, easy meal for the trail, for backpacking, hiking, camping. So guys, I'm gonna finish off my hot chocolate here, chill for a bit, and then I'm gonna clean all the stuff up and head out of here. If you guys have any meals that you guys like to cook while you're out on trail or backpacking or anything like that, feel free to leave your favorite meals in the comment section. I'd like to check it out. It's always cool seeing what people bring with them and what they like. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here, guys. If you can, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, as always. Share the content to help get it out there. And until next time, guys, I'll see you on the trail. Peace.